Welcome to my tutorial on slicing images in Canva for creative effects. Let's dive right in. Start by selecting the image you want to edit. Click on Edit and navigate to the App section. Scroll to find the Slice option. Choose from presets like chipped, sliced, minced, or torn for different slicing effects. Click Save after selecting your preferred option. Wait a few seconds for the sliced image to load in your design. If you want more control over the slices, try the Magic Grab tool. Click on the image, go to Edit, and access Magic Grab in the Magic Studio. Use Brush to manually select and isolate specific parts of the image for a customized slicing effect. Click Grab to finalize the cut. You can then freely move and adjust the isolated part of the image for a unique look. And there you have it. Experiment with different slicing options and have fun designing. Thank you for watching.